What it do, everybody? It's your boy, King Crowder, back again with another edition of History You May Not Know and Things That Are Not Taught in Detail for Show. Today's lesson, we will be focusing on the great George Robert Carruthers. He was a Black American inventor, physicist, engineer, and space scientist. Mr. Carruthers was perfected in compact and very fine camera phone that was used to take ultraviolet camera and spectrometers in NASA. He was used to launch the Apollo 16 in 1972. He designed it so astronauts could use it in a linear surface, making adjustments inside the bulky space suits, including when Mr. Carruthers made pictures of the outermost atmosphere. He used it to take linear surfaces and making adjustments in all type of space. It was based off the atmosphere, the variation in positions on the map, recording the stars and the galaxies. Mind you, all this took place in 1972. He was around sending rockets in the sky, using a miraculous hydraulic suit that was used for interstellar travel. Mr. Carruthers was made into the National Hall of Fame and received an honorary doctorate from the University of Michigan Technology Center University and was awarded a foundational certificate for the Hall of Fame from Barack Obama. Mr. Carruthers was a Black American born on October 1st, 1939 inside of Cincinnati, Ohio. He was born to George and Sophia Carruthers. His father was a civil engineer. His mother was a homemaker. His family initially lived in Milford, Ohio at an early age. Throughout reading popular space fiction in 1950s, color series on space flight, he developed an interest in physics, science, and astronomy, which his father also encouraged. At the age of 10, he built his first ever telescope out of tubing cardboard paper and a lens and the money he earned being a delivery boy. His father died when Mr. Carruthers was 12 years old, sadly. At this time, his family decided to relocate to the south side of Chicago, where he stayed near relatives until George went off to college. He did not perform well in elementary school and poor grades in mathematics and physics. However, he won 3 separate scientific fairs awards and won first place. Also, as a child visiting the Chicago museums, that's when he got inspired, reading about Sputnik, other things in Chicago schools, and other scientific-made communities. After graduating from Inglewood High School, he entered the engineering program at Champaign, Illinois campus. He reserved his Bachelor of Science degrees in physics in 1961. Carruthers did not graduate from the University of Illinois and earned a master's degree in nuclear engineering in 1962. Mr. Carruthers received a PhD in astronomical engineering in 1964. The brother was brilliant. While conducting his graduate studies, Mr. Carruthers worked as a researcher, as a study assistant on plasma and gases. He compared his thesis to postdoctoral appointment at a U.S. Naval Laboratory and received funding where he spent the next 38 years of his life. During the 1980s, he created space science and engineering apprenticeship programs would allow students to spend the summer at Naval Research Development. Mr. Carruthers worked with the NRL, Community Outreach Program, where he wanted to make sure that science was head up in the Washington, D.C. area. He sought out Black Americans that wanted to learn science, technology, and understood the power and benefits of the National Black Physics Society. He participated in all type of Howard events. He made sure that his face was active all around the scientific community. In 1983, he was the chairman and review of the National Technology Association. He had biological sketches where he invited most Black scientists and engineers. In his pastime, he also was a family man and where he discovered all type of innovations. Carruthers is considered one of the first ultraviolet comic designers. It was robust, it was new, it was innovative. It allowed them to take molecular hydronic pictures in interstellar mediums. What does that mean, y'all? The brother was a genius. He took time to make something complex and make it simple. I want you to always remember this from a historical perspective, y'all. If you could take a complex issue and make it simple, that is a true sign of you a highly intelligent and smart person. That is what Mr. Carruthers could do. He took this development, used it, simplified it, so either anybody could use his device and made it more homely. So whenever you see pictures of the sky, think of Dr. Carruthers. Whenever you see pictures of the land, the sky, the space-time continuing, different pictures, innovating of camera lights, even your iPhone, think of what he did to make it more clear, more concise, more universal, and more accurate. Mr. Carruthers, as a Black American icon, I want to give you your flowers, sir. What you did for the community to push America forward should be championed, should be displayed, and should be talked about. Sadly, Mr. Carruthers passed away, or should I say Dr. Carruthers passed away December 22nd, 2020 in Washington, D.C. We want to give you your flowers, sir, and thank you for what you did to the community and what you did to help American citizens. You are a phenomenal physicist. Your groundbreaking research and innovative technology helps all of us, and some of us don't even know it. Dr. Carruthers, we appreciate you. We thank you for your legacy and what you added to the scientific community. Your work will be championed for years to come. It's your boy King Crowder, back again with another edition of History You May Not Know and Things That Are Not Taught in Detail for Show. I want to come back here just to talk about this lesson, y'all, because I believe it's extremely important. Hidden figures inside of American history do not discuss a lot. So what we are here now is to shed light on those who did not get their proper just due. Make sure you comment, like, or subscribe to the channel. Ohio's very own Dr. Carruthers made a lasting impact of engineering to come. Until next time, peace.